Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, another unboxing. This one is Vivo X200 Pro. I purchased this on Wonder Mobile. Currently was about £680, give or take, a few pence. Goes by the transfer rate with pounds to dollars, maybe more now, but I'll leave the link below to purchase it. Yeah, I ordered it Friday and today's Wednesday, so it's pretty good. Wonder Mobile has always been good to me, within a week shipping. And in the intro scene, you will see I put the specs. Let's go back there and pause it. Another thing is, please, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs by the end of January. Please give us a hand. Click the like button, subscribe. That'd do me amazing. Thank you very much. So also they've opened it up and put on Google Play, which is cool. Yeah, if you follow my videos, I had a OnePlus last November, and then a Nubia Z70 in December. I skipped this because I ordered a OnePlus 13, and then I also pre-ordered the Nubia, and this kind of came out smack down in the middle. And I kind of regretted it not buying it, because first, this is my first Vivo phone, first one. I was actually thinking of the Vivo X100 last year, but I ended up getting a Z60 Ultra instead. But this is actually my first Vivo, and all the YouTubers, everyone's giving this the best phone of last year, one of the best cameras. And I'm all about cameras. I like to take pictures with it. Okay, I'm just gonna put it inside. This one is the blue one. Let's hope it is. 12 gigs of RAM and 256 storage. Okay, and let's have a look. So you got typical. You got your nice case, as Uncle Spurt would say, nice condom case. Paperwork, and that's it. You got your A to C charger, and in here you got you can see here, you got your SIM ejection tool right there. And what is this? 80 watts charger, I think. Please check the specs. I think it's in here. 90 watts charger. Google, Apple, Samsung, effing Sony. Put a charger in there. So yeah, so this is what's inside. Nice case. But we shall see. Like the other OnePlus and my Nubia, I changed the case because I love the design on the back, so I might change the case to more of a see-through transparent. Okay, now this is the phone. Oops. Look at that. It feels great already because it's cold in London, and you can feel the cold of the metal. You can feel that, and look at that size of that. It's using Zeiss. Hope because you can see the condensation because of the heat and cold. Just wipe it clean. You can see the nice wave. See my Blu-rays there, nice kind of wavy blue pan. So that's why I may not use that. I might use it for now until I get a more transparent case with it. Look at that, it's lovely. It looks like a paintbrush went through it. It feels great it feels really good. Camera bump. Let me see, compare it to a phone of mine, a Z. Wow, looking at it, much bigger. I do like it. It's got a nice ring. It's got a nice, you can see it. It kind of feels like those classic cameras. A nice little texture there. Let's go on the side. Volume rocker. This is, I assume, is the power button. USB-C, the SIM tray, speakers there, top, I think that's IR blaster. This also doubles as the speaker. I think I need to check this, nothing on that side. Apparently, if I'm correct, this one has a supersonic, is it supersonic or ultrasonic fingerprint reader, which actually meant to be really good. And it's also, you can see just about, it's already got screen protector on. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, let me just charge this on, because this is the Chinese version of it. Put this on, and end up eventually putting Nova Launcher on in a way. Like, if you watch my videos, you know that I like everything simple. Okay, I think, is this Fun Touch? I think it's Fun Touch. Well, check out the specs at the beginning. So this is my first Vivo phone. It's using the MediaTek Dimensity 9300. That's the flagship of that company. And you can see already that is the wrong time, which I need to adjust. There you go. As you can see here, you see you got Play Store's there. Everything is all cool. Let me just check out. I need to change the language. Oh, excuse me. It's the usual Google Android settings here. I'm gonna set all this in English and put everything on, but I just want to just go and check out. You see, you got RAM and storage here. You can ABK 256 there. That's how much you've got. All right, then RAM seat, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and then see about this phone. System, there you go, about this phone, Vivo 12. Sorry, Dimensity 9400. Sorry. Ooh, I think I might be coming down with a cold or something. It's so cold here. 6,000 milliamps. What is the operating OS on this? Android 15, of course, based on that. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, so this is the unboxing. Sorry, there you go. How do you pronounce that? Orain OS 5. Is that how you pronounce it? What is Fun Touch? Fun Touch is, oh, that's Honor. Sorry, I get mixed up. Honor, Fun Touch. Man, this what happens when you do unboxing spontaneously. I got back from work, had my dinner, and this was waiting for me, so I quickly done an unboxing. It feels great in the hand. I actually quite like this camera. Look, I love the patterns. Look at that. So definitely gonna have to get a new case, a more transparent case. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna of course get this set up, put my SIM in there, put Nova Launcher, down all my apps, get rid of apps I don't need, put in English of course, and spend a few days. If you watch my videos, you know what I kind of do. Maybe in a few days time I will do more of an in-depth hands-on. Mostly camera based, the UI and the sound and just overall kind of functions really. I won't be doing the gaming. It's not my thing. I know maybe I should, maybe in the future, depends. If I get 1,000 or plus, maybe I start doing some gaming on it, but mostly photography, just some basic UI and stuff like that. So yeah, get back to everyone soon. Please subscribe and all that cool stuff, and check back in a few days when I have a more of a hands-on, when I set everything up, do some photography, daytime shots, nighttime shots, video footage, sound, UI, how it runs really. So yeah, just like to say thank you. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world, please do stay safe and get back here to see more of a hands-on in a few days time. Until next time, goodbye now.